For most of history, studying whales meant getting dangerously close to them. Researchers relied on boats, tagging devices, biopsies, and rare opportunities when animals stranded on shore. These methods were risky, stressful for the whales, and often limited to a small number of individuals. That reality is changing. Scientists are now using drones to do something that sounds unbelievable at first. They are flying drones directly through the breath of whales to diagnose their health without ever touching them. Every time a whale surfaces, it exhales a powerful burst of air mixed with tiny droplets of fluid. This plume rises several meters above the ocean surface and lasts only seconds. For decades, it was just mist drifting away into the wind. Now it is becoming one of the most valuable medical signals in marine science. Whale breath contains DNA, hormones, bacteria, viruses, and chemical markers that reveal stress levels, immune health, pregnancy, and even early signs of disease. It is the equivalent of a breath test, blood sample, and genetic scan combined into one natural exhale. Small drones equipped with sterile collection plates hover just above the water. As the whale breathes, the drone passes through the plume and captures microscopic droplets. The drone then returns to researchers, carrying biological data from one of the largest animals on Earth. This approach is completely non-invasive. No tagging, no darting, no physical contact. That matters because whales are highly sensitive to disturbance. Stress can alter their behavior, affect migration, and even weaken immune systems. Traditional research methods risk changing the very data scientists were trying to measure. Drones solve that problem. Once the breath samples reach the lab, researchers analyze the contents. They examine microbial communities living in the whale's respiratory system. Healthy whales show stable and diverse microbial patterns. Stressed or sick whales show disruption, similar to how human microbiomes change during illness. Scientists have already detected known whale viruses in breath samples, including pathogens linked to mass strandings. They can identify individuals through genetic signatures. They can track pregnancy through hormone markers. They can measure stress caused by ship traffic, noise pollution, and climate-driven changes in food availability. This turns whales into moving data sources for ocean health. Because whales sit at the top of marine ecosystems, changes in their health reflect changes in the entire ocean. If whales show elevated stress or disease markers, it often signals deeper environmental problems. This technology also allows long-term monitoring. The same populations can be sampled repeatedly over years, creating health timelines instead of isolated observations. For endangered species with only a few hundred individuals left, this information can shape conservation decisions that determine survival. The implications extend beyond whales. Drone-based breath sampling demonstrates how technology can study wildlife without interference. It represents a broader shift in science toward observation rather than intrusion. As sensors become smaller and smarter, researchers can collect richer data while leaving ecosystems undisturbed. This approach may eventually be adapted for other large marine animals and even terrestrial wildlife. Anywhere breath, aerosols, or biological traces are released naturally, drones could become mobile diagnostic tools. What began as a simple idea has turned into a powerful intersection of robotics, biology, and conservation. A drone hovering above the ocean is now capable of performing a medical checkup on a creature weighing more than 100 tons. That is not science fiction. That is modern science quietly rewriting how humanity studies life on Earth. If you want to stay updated on the breakthroughs shaping the future of science, technology, and the natural world, stay with Dezen. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us explore the discoveries that move humanity forward.